So today I'm going to attempt to take off these hood latches off my Jeep. I've actually had the new ones for months, but didn't think I'd be able to do it because I didn't know if I had the correct tools. And people were saying that the passenger side is really difficult to do, but thanks to Mudtrail, he showed a way to do it really easily. I hope we can do this. Okay, I've got the grill off. Now I'm gonna get in my little toolbox and see if I can get in there and get the bolts off. This is not a how-to video. I'm just showing you guys how I'm going to do this and what the change will be. So again, there's the old plastic hood latches. This is a 13mm socket. And after watching Mudtrail's video, which is wonderful, I was so worried I had to build this huge elaborate crankshaft thing. I don't. Look, you just go in here, and then you twist it a little bit. And this might, I gotta look in here, so sorry if I cover the camera. Am I in? I think I'm in. Yes. No, I'm not. I don't have it. There it goes. It's in. Oh, it's turning. Hopefully. Whoops. I can see why this one is the harder side. Let's do it left.
It's getting loose.
It is.
Might be able to unscrew it with your fingers at this point.
Yeah, let's see.
So turning?
Yeah.
Because you're going to have to do that to get this back on. So.
I don't know if I can get it back on, but from underneath I might be able to. Alright, we got it off. This is the piece. And here's the old latch. And what happens with these Jeeps, that this is plastic, with heat and stress and tension, it gets stretched, it gets loose, it just like elastic, and then the hood starts fluttering, and that's dangerous. Alright, they say that this driver's side is easier than the passenger side. We'll see. Whoa. I gotta get, as always, getting that first bite. This is the hardest. Oh, it's in. Ooh. Whoa. By the way, guys, I'm really skinny. My hand is actually in behind, I don't know if you can see it, my hand is through the, what's this called, headlight.
Got it.
Hope this isn't like that monkey trap where you can't get your hand out unless you let go. Ugh, free!
I hate those monkey traps.
I got it!
They get me every time. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I got it off.
Cut.
Wow, wait, don't cut yet. Big thank you to Mudtrail, because I have seen people build these crazy rigs with like 5 extensions to get in through here, and he talked about some person having to take your box out. You basically have to take the whole Jeep apart just to get this one latch. Nope, thank goodness. Alright, now we're gonna do these little ones up here, and these are supposed to be a 10mm, so we'll see if that works. Here we go, this is a 10. There, it went in. This is so much easier than the ones that were by the headlights. I expect the piece to fall to the floor, and we'll never find it again. Let's see how that's doing.
And she's not a pessimist. That's based on experience.
Oh, here it comes. Yeah, it's happened millions of times. This is a 10mm. I got it. Okay, let's do the second one. By the way, not only am I skinny, I'm also short. So I'm actually standing on my tips. I might have to go get a stool. got it! And there's a plate? I'm gonna leave that there. Look at that.
Alright.
Driver's side now. What's gonna happen when I put a lift on this Jeep? I got. And that's the higher one. Let's try it. Was that recording?
Yep.
Okay.
Just focus.
Oh, my God. It's hard to use this position. It's holding it. Let's see if I can do that. That one's easier. And it's got a little thing that it's just like a little, this thing just slides down like that. Okay, and I'm going to clean this because I don't like dirty Jeeps and putting brand new pieces on them while they're disgusting. So.
Little shout out to Mudtrails. He was right. That took about 10, maybe just shy of 15 minutes to get those latches off.
Yeah, that was great. Okay, now I'm gonna clean this piece. I have to clean this because this is my my wrap with Scary Fear on it.
Mm-hmm.
You can actually see where the sticker's ripped up from the tension, but that's okay. You won't see that part when the new latch goes on. All right, and I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna show it. You guys know what it looks like now. Okay, here's the new hood latches, and they come with Allen wrenches, which is nice. Now, if I remember watching the tutorial from Trail Recon, see if I can take these apart and then put them back together somehow. Okay, here's one of them. The bottom piece. I think I'll do the top piece first. And this one's nice because it comes with the plastic parts. Some of them don't. Let's see if I use that or if I use the original. Okay, so this is the top latch, and these are the little nuts that came with it. But I'm not going to use these because they seem tiny, and this is supposed to hold my hood down at 70 miles an hour. These are the ones that came with it. They have a built-in washer, and they fit, so I'm just going to go with these ones instead. And they do fit side by side. Yeah, see, it'll be fine. And there's enough space for both washers. Okay, this is really thick padding. This is better than the little clip that it had on. I think it goes this way. Yeah. Wow, that's really high up there. Okay. And I'll hand off the camera. I'll actually let you tighten them for me.
Okay. I'm 6'1", and I even have trouble reaching it.
Oh, maybe you should be on the stool.
Nah, I'm good. There we go.
Yay!
Check that out. Make sure you're happy with it.
Yeah, it looks good to me.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm just taking this part out. It's really long, I think. Here it comes.
Neat.
Okay.
And then the other one slides out.
Yeah. Oh, it's loosened. There it is. Now it pops out. There we go. Now this comes off. Now this is the trickiest part. Not necessarily that it's tricky, but once again, this seems more robust. The one that came with it is crappy. Oh my goodness, yeah. The one that came with the thing. Okay, so I took the part that came with the original latch and just put it in there like that because this plastic seems really flimsy once again. I don't trust it. So I'm going to go install it, and I'm going to use and I'm just going to use this thing that came with it also because it's also way more robust than what was there. So I'll just push it through the hole. Hold in like that. And, okay, this is gonna be tough because I don't know if I can get my hand in this one. This one's much tighter.
I can do it if you want me to get it started.
Yeah.
We both have long, skinny fingers.
Oh, it's turning.
Right.
There we go. Now to get that socket in there. So that'll be anchored, and I'll turn with this Allen wrench to the right. There we go. I'll let Chris do it actually because he's stronger than me.
Oh.
Okay. I just got my fingers and stuff in there.
Nice and tight. Okay.
Awesome.
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna put this part in. Thread it through. And one thing I've seen is when you open these, you have to do it really gentle because you don't want it to just plop down really hard and scratch. I might have to put some kind of clear sticker here just for this purpose. But other than that, they're awesome. They are kind of floppy. But that seems pretty solid. They look so much better than the original factory. Ta-da!
All right, hood latches installed. Right, well done, baby.
Okay, so here they are in action. And for some reason on my Jeep, I have to do the passenger side first or I can't latch or unlatch them. Just gotta watch out for the when they come off. To not scratch the plastic. So yeah, go ahead and go around them. They look beautiful. I don't know if you need light. We ran out of daylight. We're done. And yeah, a big thanks to Mudtrail. You're absolutely right. I'm so glad I didn't have to go to a mechanic and have these installed. I didn't think I could do it because of everybody having to do all these crazy things to get them on, and I'm glad I was able to do it by myself after all. And thanks, baby. I needed your help on some of these.
That was fun.